In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable dark mode in Google Calendar. Dark mode can be great for reducing eye strain, especially in low light environments, but sometimes you might prefer the bright and crisp look of the light mode, or it may just be easier to read for your personal preference. So whether you're using Google Calendar in your browser or on the app, follow along as I guide you through this process. First, let's focus on turning off dark mode in your browser. If you're using Chrome, Edge, or Brave, here's what you'll want to do. Open a new tab in your browser and type in the address bar, chrome/flags-enable force dark. Once you've navigated to this page, you'll see a list of experimental settings. Go ahead and look for the option that reads Force Dark Mode for Web Contents. By default, it may be set to Default or Enabled. You want to change the setting to Disabled. After you've made this change, remember to relaunch your browser for it to take effect. It's a quick process and ensures that your websites, including Google Calendar, won't be forced into dark mode by the browser itself. If you're using Firefox, the process is slightly different, but just as simple. Head over to the menu and find your way to Settings. From there, go to Extensions and Themes, and then click on Themes. Here, you'll find different available themes, including dark, light, and possibly others. If your current theme is set to dark, switch it to light. Firefox will immediately apply the new settings, giving your Google Calendar that bright and vibrant appearance without the dark hues. Once you have adjusted the settings in your browser, we'll move on to changing the appearance directly within Google Calendar itself. To do this, first open Google Calendar. In the upper right corner, you'll notice a gear icon. Click on this to access the settings drop-down menu. From this menu, select Appearance. You'll see options to choose between light, dark, or device default mode. Select Light to apply a bright theme throughout the calendar. This makes all entries and dates more vivid and easier to read. By following these steps, you can easily transition your Google Calendar from dark mode to light mode, tailoring the visual experience to suit your needs. Remember, being comfortable with your display setting will enhance how efficiently you can use Google Calendar to manage your schedule. It only takes a few short moments, and now you are equipped with the knowledge to switch things up whenever you'd like. Thank you for following along today, and as always, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.